Hello everyone, in this video I'm showing you guys like a tutorial on how to use notes on the computer. So basically here are all of like the folders or like the notes and how to like throw away or like bold text and stuff. Check marks for like checklists or like any kinds of birthday plans or just plans in general on what to do. Okay, so first when you start off, you get to see this whole page. And then here it shows the new folder. So you could click on new folder. And also you have the notes here as your folder. So we could either just sort it by or group a date on and off or just default. Or then we could sort by the date created, edited, or title, or oldest first or newest first. So I'm gonna click on the new folder. I'm gonna say like cat list. And then we could also make it into a smart folder, or you don't have to. And then I could click on OK. Okay, so here's the cat list. So you could click on here. So you get to see 0. And then you could also delete it, rename it, new folder, sort by, or group by date, or then convert to smart folder. Here's just the whole like menu. And then you could add the notes right here on create a note so that it specifically like sorts out all the notes that you make. So like here you could have like a coding and then all of the general like scriptings on there, and then you create another folder for like tasking or like work in general. And then I could click on create a note. Here's a note. We could also delete it, open note, and when in a new window or pin notes. So we can make it like the top one for important ones or just pin it. And then here you could just type in whatever. So here is like the title. So if you want to change the title, it could be like cat food or cat supply. Yeah. And then here on top of here, that's like the whole like subtitle, the title of it, so it will show on here. So cat supply, we could also do like these check marks over here. We could also use the titles, heading, subheading, body, model styled, bulleted list, dash list, or numbered list, or block quote. And then here is just the check marks, like checklists. So you could just click on like the check marks and make it like done or like not done. Or you could create a table for like data or that you put into. Here's the voice recording. And then you could also record like any of like the words you say. And then you could click on done. And then I'm gonna click this out. And then here's just the photos or attached files onto here. You also just cut this, which could delete it. Or you could just use the backspace button to just delete all the stuff in it. Okay, so let's go make a check mark. And then we could put cat food or cat bed. Cat like toys. So every time you click on the enter button, it will show like another a check mark. So and then we could use like cat time, cat nap time, cat um playtime or cat just like cat 1 and 2. So here is just like all the check marks, and then you could click on here. You have the option to like, would you like to enable automatic sorting of checked items? Or checked items will be moved to the bottom of your list. You could change this later in your notes. So you could sort it by putting like, if you put like a check mark, it will automatically move to the bottom part. So it'll like show others that aren't checked. But I wouldn't, if you would like to prefer that, you could also turn it on in your settings, or if you accidentally like turn it on or like you want to change it back, you could also go to the settings and change it however you want. So I could click on here, cat time, pet 1, pet 2, and then here's just all the check marks that you haven't done. Okay, so let's go play around with the titles and like any kind of text you want. So here's the italics, underline, and just the cross mark. Here's just like the underlining color, well, the color of it. And then we can also change it to pink, orange, mint, or blue. So I can change it to blue. And then here just highlights all of the colors. And then we can also change it to the title. We could change it to the heading, subheading, body, mono styled. Just so you know, it takes out all of the checklists or like the check marks after you change like the title or like the text that you want to do. So it does not stay. I'm pretty sure, yeah. And then we could change it to title, underline, italics, crossmark. Because crossmark could be like very useful because it could crossmark any of the stuff that you don't need. And then here I could just title it again. And then I could untitle it, or I can uncross it. And then we can move these. So copy and paste. Underline here. Delete that. And then copy this one. Delete that one. And then copy this one. Delete that. Then paste it. And then we could also put the check marks, which makes the text more smaller since, yeah, because the check marks does take up a little bit more space than the headings, the titles, etc. So we could also just check mark these. So yeah, basically, we can make like another one. So we can name a new folder as dog. Nice. We can click on this name, dogless, or dogs. We can name this dog food, dog bed, dog time, dog play time, and then dog sleep time. And then we could also just mark these, mark all of them, or just unmark the ones that you have done. Here in all of the Mac, it will show all of the folders that you made here. And then cat 1, cat 2, etc. Here just shows this button, it will just show like take out this part of the side if you need more room. This one's just going out, zooming out of all the folders or like lists that you made, the notes. Or we could just change it here to just make it the list again. Or you could also go over here and then you could lock your note. Or you could share it to other people, like mail, airdrop, messages, freeform, or reminders. Again, you could lock your note. You could use your login password or create another password so that you could lock it. Like if someone knows like your password, then you could also just change it and then make a separate password. That additionally, there's no recover access to these lock notes. So I'm pretty sure you have to, once you unlock it, you have to lock it back by yourself, or else it won't lock and it'll just leave it unlocked for like another person who sees it or yourself who sees it. Like just in case if you need to like lock your notes. Or you could just use your login password. Just using the password you log into this. Unless if you don't have a password logging into this, you could also just make a lock password for the separate password using this. Okay, so I'm gonna close this. Here we could also just trash all the folders or like trash all of like the list and stuff. And then just attach file, folders, photos, take pictures, scan documents, and add sketch. So adding your sketch, you have to go to a freeform, which shows like all like the free like styles that you made or like sketches that you drew on like your iPad or something, your like phone or any kind of device that you used on Apple that could connect it to your computer. Okay, so basically, this is the whole list of all of the notes. It's basically the beginning of the notes. You don't have to like change it that much. It just all just applies to all of your lists, or making like another kind of like way to keep your notes, or like you have like diaries and like your diaries keep on like breaking or stuff, so you have to put it like on your phone or something so that you could like lock it, make sure nobody sees it just for yourself and like maybe some other trusted people who like want to see like all of your kind of notes or so. So basically, this is the whole video for today. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification to make sure that other people or yourself that get invited to this channel will subscribe and see other videos that we make for this other video. Bye!